So, the Insta360 X6 is back in the headlines after a camera retailer in Bucharest, Romania mistakenly sold a retail unit before the official launch. The leaked images confirm that at least one customer managed to purchase the camera. The buyer later shared photos of the retail unit on Reddit saying they couldn't actually use it because the current Insta360 app doesn't recognize the X6 yet, which is expected since companion app support is typically released alongside the official launch. The leaked photos also give us an early look at the final retail box, the included accessories, and the production version of the camera. Altogether, it suggests the launch is now just around the corner. According to the new camera, the current information suggests that the embargo on the Insta360 X6 will be lifted on August 10th. If that's accurate, there's a high probability that Insta360 will officially announce the X6 sometime between August 10th and August 14th. So there's only a few more days to wait. The post also gives us a look at the contents of the retail package, including the Insta360 X6, the 114cm invisible selfie stick, a protective pouch, a USB-C cable, and a silicone lens cap. Another leaked image shows the official quick start guide included in the box. It confirms that the Insta360 X6 is waterproof up to 20 meters or 65 feet. Without any additional housing. The guide also mentions the optional invisible dive case, which extends the waterproof rating to 60 meters or 197 feet for underwater shooting. The quick start guide also provides a glimpse of the camera's controls and setup process. It shows USB-C charging, basic recording controls, power button functions, and swipe gestures for navigating shooting modes. As for specs, the retail packaging matches the box leaks that surfaced in late July, adding even more credibility to the earlier reports. The box highlights several key features, including 8K 360 video recording, up to 140 minutes of recording in 8K, replaceable lenses 2.0, and pure video mode for improved low-light performance. While these claims line up with previous leaks, we're still waiting on the finer details, which are expected to emerge as we get closer to the official launch. And that's everything we know so far about the Insta360 X6. With the launch expected in just a few days, we shouldn't have to wait much longer for the official announcement. If any new leaks surface, I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace.